I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your smartwatch Ultra with your iPhone. First, make sure your iPhone is running the most recent iOS. Then, power on your smartwatch Ultra and keep it close to your iPhone. Open the watch application on your iPhone, and it should automatically detect your watch. Follow the simple on-screen instructions to align the watch face within the viewfinder on your phone, initiating the pairing process smoothly and efficiently. Once paired, you can dive into customizing your smartwatch Ultra. Explore a wide array of watch faces, adding complications like weather or activity rings. Tailor your notification settings to receive alerts only from essential applications, ensuring you stay focused. Configure your health and fitness tracking, including continuous heart rate monitoring and workout goals. Don't forget to set up Apple Pay for convenient, secure transactions right from your wrist. Your smartwatch Ultra offers a wealth of essential features. Leverage its built-in GPS for precise tracking during your runs or hikes, even without your iPhone. Discover and download a multitude of applications directly from the App Store, expanding your watch's capabilities. Enjoy the freedom of making and receiving calls and sending messages directly from your wrist. Plus, gain valuable insights into your sleep patterns, helping you improve your overall well-being. If you encounter any issues, here are some quick troubleshooting tips. Always ensure both your iPhone and smartwatch Ultra have at least 50% battery charge before attempting to pair. If pairing doesn't work, a simple restart of both devices often resolves the problem. Double-check that Bluetooth is enabled on your iPhone. For more stubborn issues, try unpairing and then repairing your watch, or reach out to customer support for further assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.